Today, I'm reviewing the RBC Visa Business Credit Card based on my actual usage and experience. As a business owner, I wanted a card that offers a good balance between useful rewards, practical features, and manageable fees. RBC markets this card as a flexible solution for businesses looking to streamline their expenses, but there's more to it than what's on the surface. The application process is relatively straightforward if you already bank with RBC. Online applications can be completed within 10 to 15 minutes, but getting approved still depends on your business credit profile. I noticed that having an established relationship with RBC definitely helps here. Once the card arrives, activation is done online or over the phone. The interface of the RBC banking portal is decent, but not outstanding. It feels a bit dated compared to other major banks. Managing multiple cards and tracking employee spending works, but lacks some of the modern features found in newer fintech apps. In terms of rewards, RBC Visa Business does offer some value back, but the earning categories are quite limited. You earn RBC rewards points, but unless you're redeeming them for travel or through Avion, the value isn't particularly strong. For things like merchandise or gift cards, the return for dollar is underwhelming. The card includes some travel insurance and purchase protection, which is a plus, but again, the coverage amounts aren't that competitive. You're getting the basics: rental car insurance, trip interruption, and extended warranty. Good to have, but not a reason to choose this card over others. Interest rates are standard, currently sitting around 19.99% for purchases and 22.99% for cash advances. There's no promotional 0% period, which could be a disadvantage if you're planning a large business purchase. On the fee side, there's an annual fee, and while it's not the highest on the market, it might not justify the benefits unless you're actively leveraging the card's perks. Many useful links you can find in the description. Customer service has been mixed. When I had a billing question, I was transferred multiple times before getting a clear answer. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it made me appreciate how important responsive support is, especially for business matters. One nice touch is the ability to integrate the card with RBC Insight Edge, which can help analyze spending, but it's still fairly basic and not a full accounting solution. Security features are solid. You get real-time fraud alerts and zero liability protection. I did experience one false flag on a bidder payment, and while annoying, the issue was resolved within a day. I prefer more advanced controls over employee spending, like for transaction limits or category blocks, which RBC doesn't currently offer through this card. In short, the RBC Visa Business Credit Card is reliable, but not game-changing. It fits well for businesses already tied to the RBC ecosystem, who want a simple solution without juggling multiple platforms. If you're seeking high reward returns or advanced features, there may be better options out there. However, for basic business spending and having everything under one bank, it does the job. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews just like this one.